Oregano, immune boost and antioxidant richness. Oregano is scientifically referred to as Origanum vulgare, is a well-loved herb that is widely used for its use in Mediterranean and Mexican food preparation. It adds aroma and flavor to food items. It also offers many health benefits because of its anti-inflammatory properties and high levels in antioxidants. One of the main ingredients in oregano is rosmarinic acid. It has been proven to possess antiviral and antimicrobial properties. This substance aids in fighting viral and bacterial diseases, which makes oregano a great herb for supporting the immune system. Oregano also contains carvacrol and thymol, both of which are renowned as antifungal compounds, increasing its effectiveness in fighting different pathogens. Oregano is not just a potent herb with anti-inflammatory properties, but it also has a high content of antioxidants. Antioxidants are vital to neutralize harmful free radicals as well as reducing the effects of oxidative stress on our bodies. Free radicals can be unstable substances which can cause damage to cells through oxidation and can contribute to the development of numerous chronic illnesses such as heart disease, cancer, and neurodegenerative diseases. When you consume oregano, it can boost the amount of antioxidants you consume and shield your cells from damage caused by oxidative. Studies have shown that oregano has powerful anti-inflammatory properties as well. Chronic inflammation is the primary cause of many illnesses such as heart disease, arthritis, and some types of cancer. Incorporating oregano into your diet, you will aid in reducing inflammation within the body and improve overall well-being. Additionally, oregano has been examined to determine its anti-cancer potential. Research has shown that the extract of oregano can hinder the growth of cancerous cells and trigger apoptosis, which is a programmed death of cells process that is essential to stop cancer cell proliferation. Although more research is required, however, these preliminary findings suggest that oregano could possess promising anti-cancer properties. Apart from its health benefits, oregano is an excellent source of vital nutrients. It is a rich source of vitamin A, C, and K in manganese, iron, and calcium. These nutrients play an important part in ensuring general health and maintaining healthy bodily functions. Incorporating oregano into your diet will ensure that you're getting a broad variety of vital nutrients. There are many ways to include oregano in your food. It can be utilized fresh-dried, fresh, or as the essential oil. Fresh oregano is a great addition to pasta sauces, salads, marinades, and salad dressings. Dry oregano is often utilized as a spice to spice up Mediterranean and Mexican food, sprinkled on pizzas and roast vegetables. Oregano essential oil is dilute and applied topically or in recipes to give an intense flavor. When buying oregano, look for organic, high-quality oregano sources. This will ensure that you're receiving the most benefits while avoiding the risk of exposure to pesticides and other hazardous substances. Fresh oregano should be bright green leaves and an intense aroma. Dried oregano will retain its aroma and flavor. Although oregano is generally considered safe to consume, however, it is best to use it in moderate amounts. Consuming too much oregano can cause digestive problems or allergic reactions in certain people. If you suffer from any medical conditions or are taking medication, it is always advisable to speak with a medical expert before incorporating oregano in your diet or consuming it in any way. In the end, oregano is not only a delicious herb that is used to cook in cooking, it also has many health benefits. Its anti-inflammatory properties, its richness in antioxidants, as well as anti-inflammatory properties make it a beneficial supplement to any diet. When it is dried, fresh, or as an essential oils, oregano will improve the flavor of your meals while also promoting your overall health. So, the next time you cook, make sure to add some oregano for numerous advantages.